If you want to install a free SSL certificate on GoDaddy without paying for an extra service, this video is going to walk you through the exact steps in a simple, beginner-friendly way. By the end, you'll know how to enable SSL through cPanel, run AutoSSL, and turn on the HTTPS redirect so your site loads securely for visitors. And if this helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump in. First, open GoDaddy and sign into your account. Make sure you're using the correct account that already has your hosting plan attached, because that's where the SSL settings will live. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for My Products and click on it. This is where GoDaddy lists everything connected to your account, including domains, hosting, and add-ons. Now scroll down to the Web Hosting section and click Manage. This takes you into the hosting controls for the site you want to secure. After that, you'll see the option for cPanel Admin. Click that to open your hosting control panel. cPanel is where most of the website security and server settings are managed, and this is where the free SSL setup begins. Inside cPanel, look for SSL/TLS Status. This area shows the SSL status for your domains and subdomains. It's a helpful place to verify whether SSL is already active or if it still needs to be issued. If your site is not secured yet, you'll want to use the AutoSSL feature. Click Run AutoSSL and let the system scan your domains. This tells the server to automatically request and install the free SSL certificate for your website. Depending on your hosting setup, it may take a few minutes for the process to complete. If the SSL doesn't appear immediately, give it a little time and refresh the page. In many cases, AutoSSL will handle the certificate issuance in the background, and once it finishes, your site should be covered with a valid SSL certificate. Next, go to the Domain section. This part is important because even after the certificate is installed, you still want every visitor to land on the secure version of your website. Find the domain you want to protect and turn on Force HTTPS Redirect. This setting automatically sends all traffic from HTTP to HTTPS, which helps keep your site secure and prevents visitors from seeing the unprotected version. Once HTTPS Redirect is enabled, your website should start loading with the secure lock icon in the browser. That means the SSL certificate is active and your traffic is being encrypted. It's a small step, but it makes a huge difference for trust, security, and even search engine performance. If you run into issues, double-check that you're in the right hosting account, that your domain is connected properly, and that the AutoSSL process has had time to finish. Also make sure the redirect setting is turned on for the correct domain, especially if you have multiple websites or subdomains in the same account. These small checks can save you a lot of confusion. And that's it. You've now learned how to install a free SSL certificate on GoDaddy and force your site to use HTTPS. If this tutorial helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more step-by-step website tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.